biology and some major fields of specialization. Unit of life is called cell. Biology is the study of living things. It is a branch of science, and like other sciences, it is a way of understanding nature. Biologists deal with the living part of nature and with the non-living part non-living thing or part same which affect the living thing in any way. Literal meaning of biology is a study of life. There are certain aspects of life that lie beyond the scope of science of biology. What is the meaning of life? There be life. There are the questions not only taken by the biologists left to philosophers, theologians. Biologists mainly deal with the matter relating to how life works. Life for biologists is a set of characteristics that distinguish living organism non-living objects, including dead organism. Living organisms are highly organized complex entities and composed of one or more cells, contain genetic program. Their characteristics can acquire, use energy, can carry out and control numerous chemical reactions, can carry grow in chemical reactions and can grow in size, maintain a fairly constant internal environment, produce offspring similar to themselves, respond to change in their environment. Mm, all objects possessing all these characteristics simultaneously can be declared living thing and is an object for biological studies. The science of biology is a very wide based study. It includes every aspect of living thing. Therefore volumes and volumes of information are available under major head. It is but natural to divide this science into quite a number of branches for convenience of comprehending and studying and biology you are surely is a very wide based study. It includes every aspect of living things. Therefore volumes and volumes of information are available under the head. It is but natural to divide science into quite number of branches convenience of comprehending and studying biology. You are surely at this stage with ecology, embryology, physiology, morphology, external morphology, internal morphology, anatomy, paleontology, histology, evolution, genetics, cell biology, zoo geography, etc. These are the branches of biology which deals with the environment, relation, development, structure, function, form, internal growth, structure, fossil tissues, ancestral history, hereditary distribution of animals in nature, respectively. In addition to these branches, there are number of other branches of biology such as molecular biology, microbiology, marine biology, environmental biology, freshwater biology, parasitology, human biology, social biology, biotechnology. It is a molecular biology is a branch of biology which deal with the structure of organism, the cells and their organelles at molecular level. Environmental biology is the study of organisms in relation to their environment. This include interaction between the organism and their inorganic and organic environment, especially it relates activity human activities. शुक्रिया आपका, आप हमारी लाइफ के साथ जुड़ गए। human activities. Microbiology, this is the study of microorganisms which include bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and microscopic algae and fungi. Freshwater biology, less salt. This branch of biology which deals with the organism living in freshwater bodies, rivers, lakes, etc. Physical, chemical parameters of these water bodies. Marine biology, heavy salt. This is the study of life in seas and oceans. This includes the study of the marine life and physical and chemical characteristics of the sea acting as the factor for marine life. Parasitology, this is the branch of biology which deal with the study of parasites, structure, mode of transmission, life histories, and host parasite relationship are studied in parasitology. The human biology, definite host, intermediate host, sexual reproduction. Human biology deal with the study of the man. This includes form and structure, function, histology, anatomy, morphology, evolution, genetics, cell biology, ecology, studies, etc. of human being. Social biology, this is the branch of biology we deal with the study of social behavior and communal life of human beings. Biotechnology deal with the use of living organisms, system and processes in manufacturing and service industries. Level of biological organization, hundred of chemical reactions are involved in maintaining of life of even the simplest organism. In view of this, it is something of a surprise to find that of 92 naturally occurring chemical elements, only 16 are commonly used in forming chemical compound from which living organisms are made of. These are the elements and the few others which occur in particular organisms are bioelements and bioelements in human body only six bioelements account 99% of the total mass. 70 60 50 40 30 30 20 10 0 relative mass percentage. Oxygen 65%, carbon 18%, hydrogen 10%, nitrogen 3%, calcium 2%, phosphorus 1%. The six bioelements account 99% of the body mass, and uh, other bioelements includes about 1% potassium, 0.35% sulfur, 0.25 chlorine, 0.15 sodium, 0.15 magnesium, 0.05% iron, 0.04% copper, trace manganese trace, zinc trace, iodine trace. Percentage composition of the bioelements by mass of a human being. The fact that same 16 chemical elements occur in all living organisms, and the fact that their properties differ from those in the non-living world, that shows that bioelements have special properties which makes them particularly appropriate as a basis for life. Biological organization is not simple, it has a high degree of complexity, because of which the living organism are able to carry out a number of the processes, some very complicated, which distinguish them from the non-living thing. A living thing is built is the regulatory mechanism which interact with the environment to sustain structural, functional integrity, how living thing compose highly structured living substance. They are because they are protoplasm and various phenomena of life. Biologists, for their convenience, studied the biological organization as different levels, starting from the very basic level of subatomic atomic particle to the organism itself, beyond which the study of community population entire world are included. Biological organization can be divided into the following levels: biosphere, that part of earth inhabited by living organisms, includes both the living and non-living component. Earth's surface ecosystem, a community together with its non-living surrounding, snake, antelope, bushes, grass, rocks, stream community. Two or more population different species living and interacting community or more population different species living and interacting in the same area. Snake, antelope, hawk, versus grouse population member of one species inhabiting the same area. Species very similar, potentially interbreeding organism. Herd of Porangorn antelope, multicellular organism, and individual composed of many cells. Porangorn antelope organ system, two or more organ working together in the execution as a specific body function. The nervous system organ structure normally composed of several tissue types that form a functional unit. The brain tissue, a group of similar cells that perform a specific function. Nervous tissue cell, the unit of life is a nerve cell. Organ structure within a cell. The unit of life is nerve cell. Organelle structure of within a cell. That perform a specific function. Mitochondrion, chloroplast, nucleus, micromolecules, macromolecule, a combination of atom, water, glucose, DNA, atom, the smallest particle of an element that retain the properties of that element. Hydrogen, carbon, the nitrogen, oxygen. Subatomic particle that make up an atom. Proton, neutron, electron, atomic called atom. Subatomic particles such as proton, electron, neutron. Molecular level, the study of molecular unit of life in organism. Elements usually do not occur in isolated form, that ionic or covalent bonding to produce a molecule. Hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur are the most common atoms found in biological molecules. The different types of bonding arrangement permit biological molecule to be constructed in great variety complexity. Macromolecule, low molecular weight like CO2, H2O. Macromolecule, high molecular weight, starch, proteins, etc. Biological world has two types of molecule: organic, inorganic. Organic molecule in any molecule containing both carbon and hydrogen. Inorganic molecule do not include include carbon and hydrogen together in a molecule. An organism is usually formed by enormous number of macro molecules of hundred of different types. So, some most important abundant organic molecule in organism: glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, cholesterol, nucleotide like ATP, ADP, AMP, TC. Organelle cells different enormous number of macromolecules arrange themselves in a particular way to form cells and their organelles. In case of simple organisms like bacteria, most proteins, the entire organism consists of a single cell. In most fungi, plants, and animals, the